Okay. In this video, we will study about the power of electrical appliances. But prior to this, we have gone through the heating effect of electric current. Yesterday, we have derived all these mathematical relations just to calculate the various unknown physical quantities related to the heating effect of electric current. Numerical problems can be solved by going through all these formulas. Let us first take the relation between potential difference, electric charge and the work done. Means if you are asked to calculate the or find out the electrical work done when potential difference and amount of electric charges passed are given, then you can use the relation W equal to V into Q to find the work done, electrical work done. Suppose electrical work done and charge are given, then you can find out the potential difference. If potential difference and work done are given, then you can find out the charge. So by knowing any two of the three quantities, we can calculate the third. Similarly, the amount of electrical energy consumed may be calculated by this relation E equal to P into T, where P is the power of the appliance and T is the time for which the electrical gadgets or appliance has been worked out. Now, since power equal to rate of change of work done or rate of doing work or the rate of consuming energy, so W by T, since W equal to V into Q, so V into Q by T, and you know Q by T means rate of passage of electric charge is known as electric current, so it is equal to V into I. So if you know the potential difference and current strength, you can find the power, and if power and time is given, then you can find out the energy consumed. Since energy consumed is equivalent to the heat produced, so heat produced H equal to P into T, that is VIT. Now H equal to I square RT. Here it is commonly known as Joule's law. That is, heat produced is directly proportional to the square of the current strength, directly proportional to the resistance, and directly proportional to time. So if any of the three are given, the fourth can be calculated. And in the same way, if only potential difference, resistance and time are given, then you can find out the amount of heat produced by using this relation, that is V square by R into T. So by following these formulas or relations, you will be able to solve the numerical problems. Now let us come to the power of the electrical appliance. Let us try to define what is power. Power of the electrical appliances. We have already studied about power in the chapter work, energy and power. Here power is the same. The energy is of different kinds. That is, here we are interested to know the power in terms of electrical energy. Electrical energy.